Welcome to yet another video tutorials of testing advices. In previous video, we have learned about Java environmental setup, and in this video, we will learn Maven setup. For the part what is Maven and why Maven, please refer the blog on the website and write to us if any queries. So let's start with Maven setup. Launch the browser and Google Maven. Now click on this link, and on the left rail you can see this download option. Now scroll down and we'll be needing this binary zip. So click on this link and the download will start, as you can see here. So open in Explorer. As you can see, the package is downloaded now. So we will extract the package. Copy the path, go to C drive, program files, paste this. Now copy this path, go to System, Advanced System Setting, Environmental Variables. Under the System Variable, click on this New, type m2 underscore home and simply paste the path. Click on this OK. Again click on this New button. Under variable name, type m2. Under variable value, paste the path \bin and now click on OK. Now scroll down, double click on this %m2% semicolon and click on this OK for all the windows. Now to confirm that Maven is successfully installed, open the command prompt and type the command mvn-v. As you can see, the version of the Maven is shown. So guys, along with the video, also read the content in blog, and in the next video we will see Eclipse setup. Thanks for watching the video.